Hope everyone created a data what we have been discussed in our last class. Now we'll format the this particular table what you have been created. Formatting in the sense we'll give a color, changing a font, okay, size, and it will look like a table to make it a look like a table so that we can able to understand the data. Now first we will start with the font. Default there is a Arial font has been selected. For example, if you like to change the font, then select the data. How to select the data? We have to click and drag. We have to select the data, select first cell from where you like to select the data, then click and drag so that you can select the data. Once you select the data, we can go to a font and you can change the font. You can change the font by using here, or you can take a default font only, that is a Arial, or whichever the font you would like, you can change that here in a font. Okay, then again select the data. For example, you would like to change the font size of the headers. Okay, column heading, select only the column heading, click and drag, select, select, click and drag the mouse so that you will select all the cells of the top. First row will be selected, and go to the size, font size, and select the size, okay, to increase the font size. For example, if you like to change the if you like to highlight them with a bold, we'll highlight them with a bold color. And if you like to make it italic slant, you can take that italic. Strike through is nothing but at a middle the one line will come on each character, okay, that is the strike through. And color of the text color you can change to any color, okay, I will keep black only. And the fill color in the sense background, if these all cells to be filled with some other color, we can go to the fill color here, fill color, and select which color to be in a background. Okay, that particular color you can select. You can select a text color to other. White I have been selected, so background will be in a blue, text will be in a white color for the heading. And for example, if you like to give a all borders to your table, then select entire table. The shortcut we can use, shortcut is nothing but first select first cell from where you would like to select a table. First cell you have to select, then control shift, press control shift, right arrow key to select all the columns, down arrow key to select all the rows, down arrow key for select all the rows, right arrow key to select all the columns. If you just click a shift key, then one by one it will be selected. Okay, if you're operating up arrow key, one by one deselected, one by one selected, down arrow key. Similarly, left arrow key will be deselect, right arrow key for select again. Okay, this is the way we can select the data. Then select here borders. In border also you have a many options. Okay, we can use all side border or a single side, upside, downside, in between, or you can only outline. We'll select all side borders. Okay, everywhere there will be borders will be applied so that it will look like a table. Then you can change the color of the border color also, you can change. You can change the color of the border, you can change the style of the border style also, you can change. Okay, so that it will be look nice when you are applying a border. Okay, then for example, you have been given some name to the particular table. For example, client customer detail. Okay, you have been written as a customer detail. This is the table heading. Okay, but it should be in a center of the table. Okay, it should be in a center of the table. How to make it center? What we have to do, we have to select that customer detail, select, and drag or select all the cells till where the table ends. From B cell to column H, all the cell we have to select. Okay, then go to here, merge option is there, merge cell option is there. Select that which type of the merge you would like to do. Merge all. Here only possibility is a merge horizontally. Okay, merge horizontally, merge horizontally. Then if you like to make it on a center, if you like to make it on a center, select, you have been already selected that one, go to here horizontal alignment, in there make it center. Okay, again we can give the border, apply the border, and apply the color with a different color we will give, and text color also we can give different text color, make it bold, make it italic, and we'll choose a higher size, arrow 14. Okay, then we can change to any of the other uh, font which will look better for this particular thing. Okay, this is a way to format, this is a basic formatting we have been learned about applying a border, coloring, and make it possible to with a background color. Okay, and if you like to adjust this column, for example here serial number is there, only the small space has been utilized. To adjust that one, go to here, you like to reduce the width of the column, so go to that particular column. Okay, select that particular column, go to that edge, the arrow mark will come, click and drag to adjust. Okay, similarly if you double click on the edge, double click on that edge, it will automatically adjust to a column width. Again here double click to adjust to a column width. Okay, to adjust to a column width. Okay, this is the way we can manage, or we can say that format, basic formatting of the data what you have been created in a Google Sheets.